Remember that feeling. One phrase in a work chat, one sideways glance on the street, one memory surfacing from out of nowhere. And just like that, you're hooked. Blood rushes to your face, a fire ignites in your chest. The world shrinks to a single emotion. You are no longer in control of yourself. The emotion is in control of you. This is the Matrix in its most effective form. And today, we learn how to get off this hook. In past videos, we learned how to silence the inner noise and calibrate our intention. But the Matrix is clever. If it can't pull you into the noise of thoughts, it will try to hack you through the storm of emotions. Anger, resentment, fear, jealousy. These are not just feelings. They are vortexes. The moment you get involved, you begin to voluntarily pour your life force into them. Your attention is a currency. Where you direct it, that is what grows. Direct it at resentment. Resentment grows. Direct it at the struggle grows. You become a character in someone else's game, forgetting that you are the player. And there's only one way to leave this game. Imagine a rocky island in the middle of a raging ocean. Waves of anger crash against the stones with a roar. The wind of fear howls, tearing leaves from the trees. Black clouds of resentment race across the sky. This is the storm. These are your emotions. But on the very top of this island stands a tall, strong, indestructible lighthouse. And inside this lighthouse, behind thick glass, in complete silence and warmth, sits the quiet keeper. He sees the storm. He doesn't deny it. He notes its power, its fury, its wild, primal beauty. But he knows he is not the storm. He is the one who watches it. His light continues to burn with a steady, calm, clear flame. The waves break at his feet. The wind only glides over his smooth walls. This keeper is your true self, your observer's position. To be the observer is to stop identifying with the storm, to acknowledge your feelings, to give them the right to exist, but not to let them become you. The moment you say to your resentment, "I see you, I feel you, but you are not me," you break its chains. For these words to become your experience, you need a tool, one as simple as a snap of the fingers. We call it the cinema technique. The very moment you feel yourself getting hooked, do 3 things. First, mentally tell yourself, stop. Physically pause for a second. Next, close your eyes and imagine you are sitting in a dark, empty movie theater. You are the audience. And then, turn on the movie. On the screen in front of you is a film. The main character of this film is you. And there he is, this character on the screen, feeling angry, resentful, afraid. All the drama is up there. And you are here in the safety of your seat. Try to feel compassion for this character on the screen, like for a good person who got caught in a storm and forgot who they really are. The moment you separate into the character and the viewer, the magic of the Matrix dissolves. The hook releases you. The purpose of this practice is not to devalue your feelings, but simply to see them from a new point of view. The feeling of lightness will come later on its own as a side effect of mastery. Informational fasting, flawless intention, the observer's position. These are the 3 keys of the Cartographer that we promised you. They open the door of your mental prison. But what lies behind that door? We will start talking about that in our next, 3rd arc. And for now, a question for you. Have you ever managed to look at one of your strong emotions from the outside? What did you feel in that moment of detachment?